Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing good. My name is Sadie. I am a Career Peer Ambassador, and this is a part of the Tech and Skills Workshop series. Today, I'm going to be talking about Mesa College and their campus resources. So, first off, to start, we have Mesa Journeys, and this is a wonderful tool for new students, or if you are thinking about applying to Mesa, this is a great place to start. This is definitely something that I wish I had when I first started out. It would have helped me a lot. So you click on the link, or you can go to Mesa's website and just type in the search bar Mesa Journeys, and it will take you to the home page. And it will be a video where you can watch it. And after that, you click next, you fill out all your information, your name, email address, CSID number, and then you go to fill on anything that you might need help with. So whether it's tutoring or financial aid, career center, work-based learning, anything like that, you can fill out. And then after, it's gonna send you all of the information with the resources available to you. So it's going to send you the information for financial aid, or say you want to start off right away with your career planning. It'll send you the Career Center, like information, how we can help you, and anything like that. It is a great resource. I definitely recommend everyone checks that out. Next, we have where do I learn how to prepare for work? So we have the Career Center and work-based learning, and both teams work very closely together. So with work-based learning, they have an internship coordinator, for example, Dr. Pavel, and he helps with trying to find internships, whether it's part-time, full-time, whether it's just you want to gain that experience or you want to try and get into your career field, they can definitely help you out with all of that. Or if you want to take a work experience class and gain credit for that, or if you want to meet employers, do an employer panel, anything like that, they help you with. And then we also have the Career Center, which we have career counseling appointments and drop-ins. So the career counselors can help you with career planning, major exploration, and then we are also a part of the Transfer Center, which I will get into a little bit later. And so say you want to just find a job, anything, or you want to try and get into your major or career field, they can help you out with that. How to go about looking for jobs, finding jobs, even major exploration if you are stuck when you first come to Mesa, or if you are like me and you had your major figured out from the very start, but then you start taking some classes and you're like, this is not for me. They can help you out with that. They have the MBTI assessment, which you go, you take it, and it'll give you information at the end of what jobs might best fit you. It is not a test, it is not mandatory, it is not saying what you have to do, it is just saying what might best fit you, which I know we are all online right now, but don't worry, you can still do all of this. You just have to go to San Diego Mesa College's website. You can go to Student Services or even the search bar and type in Career Center. It will pop up this page, and then on the left-hand side, all of these different subheadings will pop up. So you can click on job and internships, Career Center events, career peer ambassadors, which I will get into next, all of that. And then it will give you the information of like the email address, phone number, any way how to get in contact with them and set up an appointment. You can even do drop-ins. And then we have peer-to-peer resume reviews, which I will talk about on the next slide. And then interview preparation. Career counselors also can help you out with that. whether it's to go over questions that an employer might ask you during an interview, or even doing a mock interview just to help you feel more comfortable. And then they also have career workshops, employer panels, which um, as of right now are on hold just because we are um, online, but I would definitely keep checking the Career Centers page, Transfer Centers page, even work-based learning, and just to keep up to date of all the events going on. We do update our websites constantly, so any new um, counseling appointments or panels, workshops, anything happening, we will update our websites and put it on there. Career Peer Ambassadors. So like I said, I am a Career Peer Ambassador. There are 5 of us, and we all help with resume building and cover letter writing. So whether it is you're like, I'm turning this resume into a job tomorrow, I need help, I just want someone else to quickly scan over it, tell me anything that they would recommend to change format wise, spelling, we can help you with that. Or even if you are like, I've never had a cover letter before, I would like one, just in case. We can help you create one from scratch. We offer phone call appointments, Zoom, and email communications. This right here will show you the step process of how to make an appointment with one of us. It's quick and easy. This is the link, or you can also go to, again, our website, click on Career Peer Ambassadors, and it will give you the link to fill out a request form. So you submit a request form, you get connected with one of us. One of us will get back to you within a couple days, 2 to 3 days, and then you can click on the request form however you want to meet with us. If you want to do phone call appointments, if you don't have access to a computer, laptop, anything like that, we can always do a phone call appointment. Or we can do Zoom. So if you are more of like an in-person type, where you're like, I want to meet face to face, I want to be able to see who I'm talking to, I work better that way, we can do Zoom. We get as connected as possible during these times. And there is also email communications. So if you just don't feel comfortable, or like I said, don't have access to a computer or laptop, or you're just busy, you're working full time, going to school full time, possibly taking care of family, children, anything like that, we totally understand, and we want to make this as easy as possible for you during this time. And then step 4, you meet with one of us, like I said, via Zoom, phone call, or email. And then last step, we help either tailor your resume and cover letter, or we help you create a new one from scratch. And how to improve your 21st century skills for free. This is also another really great resource available to students. This is the link right here, and it is free, 100% free. It's an interactive course designed to help you understand and assess your skills. So there are 8 chapters. For example, chapter 1 is professionalism and work ethic. Chapter 2 is communication. Chapter 3, critical thinking and problem solving. Chapter 8, career management. I myself have gone through this completely, all 8 chapters. It is a really great resource. And you do get a certificate at the end that you can print out, or if, say, for example, one of your professors is having you do it for extra credit or for credit in your class, you say you have to do chapter 1, you enjoy it, it gives you a lot of helpful information, you can go on and do all 8, you can just do chapter 1, you can pick if you're doing it on your own time and you just want to gain that experience, you can pick whichever chapters you want to go through. And then these are just some of the pictures. So we have the, like I said, certificate of completion, the date you completed it, the institution. This is a screenshot of one of the chapters. So this is chapter 5, and then as you'll see, it has different sections here, and this is how it starts off. It sometimes gives you like quotes, how to go about things. This one says be productive or proactive, my bad. And then it just tells you it shows passion, interest, and so forth. And this is the flyer for it. So like I said, it's completely free. It helps you with career preparation. And then this is the link for it. And this is, again, just the 8 different steps to walk you through it. And then how to contact us. Like I said a little bit earlier, with the Career Center, you can either go onto our website and go to the Career Center. It will give you our Google Voice number or our email, which is right here, where you can either call to ask questions, set up an appointment, or you can always email the Career Center and they will get back to you as soon as possible. We are also a part of the Transfer Center. So this is also our Google Voice number and email. Again, call us, set up an appointment with the counselor. If you have any questions, transfer season is quickly coming upon us. So if you are ready to transfer, or you think you might be ready to transfer, I would definitely call, ask questions, set up an appointment, do a drop-in, anything like that. And then Transfer Center, we just help students with their transfer applications and just getting you ready to transfer from our 2-year community college to wherever you want to go next. Usually it's a 4-year degree university, but it can be anywhere. You can meet with, like I said, a transfer counselor, attend transfer workshops and university workshops. I would definitely check out the transfer website, like I said, just throughout the semester, because we will have an update on how we are going to help out with transfer applications, if we have any workshops available, if we have any university workshops, if they want to meet students, answer any of your questions, they might hold workshops. And this is just one of our flyers for events that we've had recently. So recently we had open house, and the Career Peer Ambassadors put on different, put on different presentations. So mine was learning to work around your hunger, students experiencing food and housing insecurity. But we also had the art of storytelling in virtual interviewing. We also had all the places you'll go for transfer, anything like that. And then we also put Resumania on, which is where we had a setting like this, Zoom, and students can come as they pleased. If they needed help with their resume, cover letter, they wanted to just ask questions, they could do that. So I would definitely be checking our websites. Like I said, I know I keep saying it, but I would definitely just keep checking our websites to see any updated information, any events that we're holding, and I would definitely come and attend anything that you're looking for. So if you're looking for transfer, we had a workshop of how to go about transferring, all of our resources available to you. I know during this time where we are all online, the uncertainty, it is hard, and it just can be tiring from the stress and all of that. So I want to make sure that you are getting all of the help and resources that you need during this time at Mesa. And then that concludes my portion of this presentation. We are going to have another event October 14th from 2:30 to 3:30 if you want to sign up for that. But again, please check back, sign up for any workshops, events that we're holding that might work for you or that you're interested in. Please sign up for them. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.